always makes the birds crazy when I fly this thing. Stop! And go! This was just a beautiful campsite really, and I had it all to myself. Amazing. Of course I'm gonna put it into my saved places on Google Maps. Equally long day as yesterday, 513 kilometers. I found a camp spot right outside Helsinki. Let's do this, guys. This is actually my favorite speed. I mean, sure, today it's a bit windy. You don't want to go fast in the wind anyways. 90 is my favorite cruising speed. That's good now. Honestly, what's up with all the speed traps? Weather is really not so great lately. And I always have to take off the boots because they're just too big. Can't fit the pants over them. It's a bit annoying. €30, but it was super empty. When you don't have a fuel gauge, it's just very important to always turn the reserve back off, back to normal, and to reset the trip. And I forgot both of these things before. And then there's only one option left. You push. Pretty sure it's a chain tensioner really. I mean, apparently they replaced the chain and they were supposed to replace the chain tensioner as well. I don't really know if they really did it because the whole thing was so sketchy. That's a real bummer because that was the whole reason the Honda was in the shop for 3 months. It's exactly the same. Exactly the same. And it started the same way. The whole day she was already like rattling sometimes, you know, when revving down. I think the tensioner was just always done snapping back again. I'm no expert. But yeah, it's exactly the same thing. Oh man. I guess we're back to sewing machine now. Oh man. What a bummer really. I guess I can just wait until it snaps back again. Pretty much all I can do. There's enough oil. The camshaft is new. The chain is supposed to be new. At least that's what they told me they did. So now it's just snapped back. So it's gone, completely gone now. yeah, so you can hear nothing anymore. It's all good now. So I made it here to this nice campsite. They even have a beach over there, really cool. But I wanted to stay close to the service house here because I can work in there. In all this time they had the Honda, they didn't really replace the cam chain tensioner. At least that is what I'm guessing it is. You heard it yourself. I don't know what else it could be. If I learned one thing the last time is that she will definitely bring me home. So I'm not really worried about that. I just have to find a good mechanic when I'm back in Berlin. If you know somebody, let me know. Didn't get wet. It was cool, even though it was in the forecast, it was a lot of rain, but didn't really get wet. Also not getting a speeding ticket. All the speed traps, that was so ridiculous. I don't know. You can count yourself. There was like at least. Anyways, tomorrow I will catch the ferry from Helsinki to Tallinn. I have to book it. I'll do that now. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you tomorrow. Cheers.